Want to build your own AI agent in Flutter? In this video, I will show you how to do it using a Claude code. By the end, you will have a working AI agent ready for your own projects. So without any delay, let's get started. So before we move forward, if you have an amazing app idea but you don't have a time or skills to develop an app, don't worry, my team will develop the app for you. So you can search for my startup name, which is an app crafting. At app crafting, we transform ideas into powerful, beautiful mobile experience. Whether you are a startup or a business ready to scale, we design, build and launch your app fast, professional and ready for the world. You can just fill out the contact form and get a quote. Just fill out your name, your last name and your email and your requirements as well. And after submitting this form, my team will reach you out to develop your app for both Play Store and App Store. So on this video, I'm going to develop an AI agent. Now what is an AI agent? So just think that, for example, if I have a restaurant and I want that once the customer just come to my restaurant, they can use an AI waiter. Now what is an AI waiter? So for example, they can simply download this app, and once they download the app, they can just talk to the AI. Like, we are going to train the AI in that way, what all menu we have in our restaurant, what is an opening time. They can simply order the food item by using that AI. So the AI will going to simply handle the details about that restaurant, and we are going to give a agent to that customer. That will be the AI agent, and through that agent the customer will ask a question about that restaurant, a menu, whether they have a veg, there is a non-veg available or not, blah blah blah. So we are going to train the AI according to that, and we are going to provide the agent to the customer in the form of waiter, who are going to just get the needs of the respective customer, right? So this is the thing that we are going to implement in our app. So I'm going to use the cursor AI again. So if you have followed my old videos, then you know that how to use a cursor AI. If you haven't, then just watch some of my videos in my channel, from where you will get to know that how you can use a cursor AI, right? Now here you can see that this is a new agent. Now here I'm going to just pass a prompt, and I'll tell this agent to create a restaurant or a AI agent for me, right? So I'm going to tell that, so I'm planning to create a restaurant agent app. Now in this AI agent app, I want that where the customer can ask the opening time of that restaurant, the menu of that restaurant. Maybe we can just add like, if they are looking something specific on that restaurant, like veg, non-veg, etc etc. So for that, I want to create a home page where the customer can simply interact with an AI and can ask any questions regarding the AI, and we are going to use a Claude for this, right? So this is the thing that we are going to do. So this is the prompt that I have passed over here. Okay, now they have wrote Cloud, not Cloud. We need to use Claude. Okay, now we are going to send this, and this is the prompt that I'm trying to send to the cursor, and I'm telling that I'm going to create an AI agent app basically for the restaurant, right? So let's see what result we get from a cursor. So we just need to wait. I think so they have created this. They have suggested some structure. Basically customer, there will be a home chat UI, a backend API, a Claude API, restaurant date, opening hours and menu items, right? So this is the structure that they have provided to us. In the home page, there will be a chat interface, optional quick chips, okay, loading state with a Claude response, okay, there will be a restaurant data. So we are going to store a restaurant data in the Firebase, because there will be a multiple restaurants who are going to use this app. So we are going to store the data in the Firebase, but for now I'm going to create this for a single restaurant, so I'm not going to use a Firebase right now. Let me know in the comment box if you want this app to be created on that way, so that the multiple restaurants can use this app. Okay, so this is what that we need to do, and a Claude integration. Okay, so what I need to do is that I already need for one restaurant. I don't need for mini restaurant. Okay, so just create this for the one restaurant. I don't want a data to be stored in the back end. So just create the app according to that and store the information already, and create the home page and implement the Claude API. So that's the thing that I'm looking for. So this is the prompt that I have passed, and this is the thing I'm going to send. We just need to wait. So they are planning the next move. The user wants a single restaurant Flutter app. No backend data storage is needed. Okay. Building a single restaurant Flutter app with embedded data, a chat home page, and direct Claude API integration. Exploring the project and the implementing it. So they are trying to just integrate the Claude API. Okay. They are creating the home page for the interaction with the customer, and they are going to explore the project and implement it. Okay. So these are all the things that they are trying to do. I just need to wait over here. Okay, so they have just done this. They are telling me to add an Anthropic API key. I think so. You know what really the Anthropic is. If you don't, let me give you an idea. So you know that the ChatGPT is handled by an open AI company. So the open AI company has developed an ChatGPT. So if you want to get an API key for an ChatGPT, you need to go to the open AI official website, and you need to get the API key from there. So the same thing has been done by an Anthropic. The Anthropic is a company who have developed the Claude. So you need to move to the Anthropic website to get that API key. I think so it's much clear that why it has root Anthropic over here. Okay, so these are all the things that they have stored, and they have stored the opening hours. They have tried to store up 14 menu items, address, and a phone number. So I think so these are the three things they have tried to store manually. I can simply check the code, like the code can be seen over here. Okay, so these are all the codes that had been written by a cursor, and this code will be simply been highlighted in the VS code. You don't need to copy or paste anything, so that's a good thing about a cursor. Okay, so I think so what we can do is that right now I'm going to just hot restart the app. Okay, so this is the design and all that has been created by the cursor. Now they have told that what are the opening hours, show me the full menu, any spicy or non-veg dishes, welcome to the Spice Garden. They have kept the right restaurant name Spice Garden. I can help with an opening hours or hour menu, veg and non-veg, option, prices, and more. How, what would you like to know? Okay, so this is a text field where we are going to text that, and we are going to ask our AI agent about a restaurant, like their opening hours. We want to check the menu, what veg starters do you have, etc, etc, right? So I'm going to just pass like what veg starters do you have. Okay, so we need to add an Anthropic API key, otherwise nothing going to work. Okay, so let me add the Anthropic API key, and we'll get back in few seconds. Yeah, so I've just added the API key. Now I'm going to just pass like what veg starters do you have. Okay, so I'm going to ask the agent like what veg starters this restaurant going to provide me. So I'm going to just pass this, and we are going to just wait. So they told me that we have a 2 veg starters, paneer tikka, that going to cost like 320 rupees, marinated cottage cheese grilled in a tandoor, spicy, gluten free. So it is a gluten free paneer tikka, veg spring roll, and that's cost around 240 rupees. So this is what that has been shared by an agent. Okay, now I'm going to pass like, is there any non-veg, is there any non-veg? So I'm going to send this, and we are going to just wait. Okay, so yes, we have a 2 non-veg starters, chicken with chicken 65. So this is basically a name, and it's like 380 rupees. Crispy fried chicken with curvy leaves and a red chili. Okay, would you like more information about the non-veg main course? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to pass this. Okay, so they tell me that here are some non-veg main course like butter chicken, lamb, rogan josh, and chicken biryani. So these are all the things that are available. Now I'm going to pass like what are your opening hours? Okay, so I'm going to ask the opening hours to this agent. So here are your opening hours like from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so this is what that we have created by using this agent. Now you can see that the result that we get is in the form of star. Now you know that once you get a data from an AI, that usually been represented with a special character. So if you don't want to use a special character, you need to tell that in a cursor. So once I get a data from an I don't want the AI to use any special character in a reply. Okay, so remove any special character if it is there. So I'm going to just pass this prompt, and I've told that to remove any special character. So they will just remove that and give me the result. Okay, so this is how the agent that we have created. Now one more thing I will tell you, that if you are looking an AI agent for your business, or if you want to develop an AI agent for your restaurant or saloons or anything, or if you are looking for AI chatbot or any customized app for your business, or if you are looking for the college project, you can just check the description box. In the description box we have provided the link of an app crafting. You can click to that link, you will move to our official website, just fill the form like what really you are looking for. My team will reach you out and going to develop you for that, right? So the cursor is going to write a code. Okay, they are trying to fix all the things that I can see over here. Okay, so we just need to wait until we get the result. Yeah, so cursor have done the thing. Before it going to show something like this, but now it going to remove the uh, special character from it. So I'm going to just hot restart the app and let's test this. So I'm going to just ask that show me the full menu. Okay, and we just need to wait. Okay, so this is the complete menu that I can see of the restaurant. There is a starter, a main course, a rice biryani, bread and all, dessert, beverages, all the things has been shown over here. Okay, there you can see that there is no special character has been used over here, just to indicate that everything is clear for the customer to understand, right? So this is how you can simply create an AI agent. Now this is a simple AI agent that I've created. Now let me know in the comment box, like if you are looking for any special video that you want me to create. So let me know in the comment box, like if you are looking for any special video that I need to make. I'm going to try to do that. Okay, also hit that like and subscribe button, because I'm noticing that while many of you are loving our videos but haven't hit that subscribe button. So show your support by hitting that subscribe button. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.